It's Combat Gun 3.
So now we're gonna open it. Oh, there's the gun.
Let me see the gun. Nice.
Okay.
The other side. There you go. Okay, so it's a gun with a strap. There's a strap on it.
This strap hooks onto here, so when you go, you can hook it onto you.
Okay, well, let's see what's in the box.
Okay. What we have here is.
Oh, there's the bullets. There's the, yep, bullets. There's more?
Yep.
Okay, there's the knife and a scope.
No.
And
That's
then,
not the scope.
well, there's a scope to it. And then there's a stand. Okay, why don't you take it out of the plastic and we'll assemble them.
There's the tape. And there it is.
Nice.
And then here comes the bullets. Oh my god, it's there. Oh, you have to search for the tape. So you put up your tape. And then these are the bullets.
Okay,
They both hook on together. And then
yeah, hook it up.
okay.
No, I like that song.
So put the bullets in.
So I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, show me here.
This is how you put it in.
You just put it there. Okay, just, okay. Don't do it yet. Okay, so you got the bullets in. Now put that scope. So it's a scope with a knife. So he's just putting that on the tip. You got it?
Yep.
There you go. So it snaps on. Okay. Now the stand.
I don't need help. This one's too easy.
I'm sorry, we need Emily.
Okay, now there's the stand. There you go. Let me see.
There.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so there's the gun, and then you're gonna put the clip on that side.
It's.
Yeah. Okay, so you got all the parts. You got all the parts. You got the scope with the knife. You got the bullets put on, and then you got the strap on and the stand on. And last thing you need to do is to pull out that plastic. Okay, now you can test fire it. Whoa! That magazine even comes out.
Whoa!
Now put it back on the other side.
Let's try it again.
Look at that. That's a very nice gun.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, hold on. Okay, fire.
Ah!
That's nice magazine. And that looks real. It actually, the magazine actually moves.
What's it like that?
Okay, come on, soldier. Nice. Look at that light. Okay, let me see closer. That's a really nice.
And then let's try something that I want to do with my whole life. Ready?